Hello guys, and in today's video we are going to talk about the possible severe weather outbreak for tomorrow. I will be doing a live stream on this in the afternoon tomorrow, so make sure to check that out. But before I can get into this video, I would recommend subscribing if you do like weather related content, and make sure to share with any friends or family that you think would like this kind of content. Anyways, let's get right into this forecast. So right now we are looking at the Storm Prediction Center at March 11th. This is for March 12th. And for the categorical, they have issued a slight risk for severe weather for Tennessee, Southern Illinois. All these states that are in these yellow color, you are in the slight risk for severe weather. So you will be getting most of the severe weather if you are in these slight risk. And they also have issued a marginal risk around that slight risk. So if you're on the marginal risk, you won't get as much severe weather, but you will still get some of the severe weather, possibly from the slight risk area. You can go ahead and look at the tornado risk, and they have issued a 5% risk of tornadoes in this brown area, and also a 2% risk in this green area. So about a 5% chance in a 50-mile radius of a tornado in this brown area, and a 2% risk in this green area of a 50-mile radius. We can go ahead and look at the wind risk, and they have issued a 15% risk of severe wind. This is about 60 mile per hour plus wind gusts. And they also issued a 5% risk of severe wind. So this is in the yellow risk. You are going to see from the storms very severe wind. They have a 50% chance of severe wind. This will update tomorrow. I would guess they would issue a 30% of wind risk because of these storms. You can go ahead and look at the hail risk. There is actually two areas. There's a 15% chance area and a 5% chance area. And there's also another 5% chance area over here in these brown areas. And this is where you're going to mostly see the hail in the 15% chance area, which is the yellow area. And this is quarter size to $half size up. I can't really rule it out at this point in time, but you would definitely see this some small hail at least over here in this 15% chance area. Alright, so now we are looking at the NAM 3 km model, and this is for midday about March 12th. Actually, no, this is the overnight this is overnight tonight. If we move it forward to about morning hours, you start to see this cluster of severe thunderstorms, and that'll move east and see a line of severe thunderstorms moving across the more southern, central, southeastern part of the U.S. And these will have embedded supercells in these storms. It will, once it gets kind of more south into the more Georgia, Alabama states, it will kind of decrease of strength. But this will be some pretty severe weather, especially over here in these purple colors. You really see the severe weather in those purple colors. Very bright purple colors. This is 50Z. This is some pretty heavy rain we're seeing on the model so far. So this is some pretty severe weather that is going to hit about early to late afternoon tomorrow. If you did enjoy this forecast, I would ask you to subscribe if you do like weather related content, and make sure to share this with any friends or family that you think would like weather related content or need this information. Anyways, stay safe.